Another day, another 400 million times that our efforts to make food safe and available everywhere will slip by unnoticed. But that's just the way we like it, because that's how we know that we're doing a good job. For families like this, hygiene is taken for granted, and packaged products are on every supermarket shelf. But not all families live like this. For generations, people in Egypt have bought their milk from street vendors, who take it straight from the cow and sell it loose in plastic bags.
I used to buy loose milk from the milkman, until one day it made Sarah sick. When I took her to the doctor, he told me I needed to switch to packaged milk because it's cleaner and safer.
Because it's untreated, loose milk can contain thousands of harmful bacteria and cause salmonella, tuberculosis and listeria. But slowly, things are changing. With the help of the Ministry of Health and Education, leading NGOs and Egypt's doctors, our loose milk conversion program teaches people about the dangers of loose milk and explains the benefits of buying milk in cartons.
Everyone should use packaged milk because it's safer for us and our children.
But of course, it's not good enough to protect the things inside our cartons if the things around them suffer as a consequence. Klabin is the biggest producer, exporter and recycler of paper in Brazil. Along with Stora Enso and Korsnäs in Europe, it's one of Tetra Pak's key paper suppliers. All three have something in common: certification by the Forest Stewardship Council.
Todas essas certificações, dentre elas FSC, são muito importantes.
These certifications are important because they prove that it's possible to maintain a sustainable business, ensuring the production of wealth, the development of social well-being, and the protection of nature. We harvest the forest all day long, every day of the month, and every day of the year. We never stop. And yet we still manage to guarantee one of the widest biodiversities on the planet. We need to ensure that in decades from now, or several hundred years from now, these forests can continue to produce wood sustainably.
But protecting the environment isn't just about responsibly sourcing our raw materials. We manage the disposal of used packaging responsibly too. In China, we've helped create an environmentally responsible industry from scratch. Thanks to the work being done in places like Hangzhou City, recycling rates across the country have risen dramatically. So much so that in Beijing alone, recycling rates have risen from 0 to almost 40% in just 7 years.
In this sorting centre, we process around 300,000 cartons a day.
These cartons are then turned into everything from recycled paper to board material, which is turned into furniture, footpaths, and bins. Today, 21st century issues are at the forefront of all our minds. But no matter how much things change, there's one thing which we never forget to take care of: the customer.
The oranges we use are produced locally and are picked for their perfect colour and aroma. But as well as having quality raw materials, we also need a system which can handle them and preserve their quality for a long period of time. When we have new machines or new components, technical service come to our factory to assemble the machine, put it in operation, and train our technicians how to use it. At the beginning, I thought technical service were an unnecessary expense. With the experience I now have, I consider them to be as important as medical services in a hospital.
Every year we process over 70 billion litres of food and package over 150 billion products in 170 countries. But our business has never been, nor will it ever be, just about processing and packaging. It's about protecting. This is the circle of protection. Tetra Pak protects what's good.